Okay, welcome back. Now, to begin, uh, with most of the people will prefer beginning with Notepad for beginners. Yeah, it is advisable, but for me, I find it hard using Notepad. But I will just give you an head start and why we should need this. Okay, Notepad is there in your laptop. You can tap the Windows key, search Notepad, and it will open up. One thing you should need to know is about what text editors you need. First, you need text editor called Notepad. We have Notepad, Notepad++, etc., etc. In Notepad, we will declare an HTML always start with angle bracket, which is like this. Let me zoom so that you can see. This is what we refer in HTML as angle bracket. And then with exclamation mark, then we type in doc, type, give a space and type in HTML. Now this will tell the browser or the web page that this is an HTML document. Sometimes it's not a must for you to put this one because if you just say HTML, the root cause, the root document, it will also display. Number two, remember this is what we call anchor bracket. As I mentioned it before, you must start with this anchor bracket. All elements of HTML are within the anchor bracket. Here we're going to declare HTML. This one is what we call the opening tags. Now, the closing tag will be play with slash / and type in HTML. Then you close it. Now it is very simple for you to remember. If you use Notepad, the rest will be for you to advance, to ease your work, to speed up. And this is for the beginner, so we need to go slowly, step by step. Now within HTML, we will compress our things here. Next, after HTML, we will have the header. This is the opening tag of the head, and we will have the closing tag. Now within the header, we will have what we call title, and don't forget to opening tag and closing. Put title again, close it. Now to make it simple, it will be like this. Within the title, you can name it my first web page. Is that a page? My first web page. This title, when we open this in the browser, it will display in the Chrome when you use it like that. Now, in the header, after ending here, we will have the body. Body, type in body, the opening text of the body, and the closing body, and closing body. Now, within the body here, you have some element tags like header, which is declared with H1, opening and closing, don't forget H1. Number two, we will have the paragraph, which is declared with P, that is opening tag, and P closing tag, like that. Now, this is the basic structure of HTML that we need to bear in mind. Next, we are going to see what we need inside this HTML tags or the body that will be displayed on the browser like Chrome, Firefox, and so many. Please follow me